Hey guys, this is Kushbu again. Today we are going to discuss how a foreigner can set up a branch office in India. As we all know that India is one of the most ideal destination for the foreign investor to set up a business or a branch office in India due to fact that India has a large labor pool and there are various business opportunities along with admirable judicial transparency. A branch office is one of the business model for the foreign companies to enter into Indian market with the strict control of Reserve Bank of India. It is interesting to know that a branch office of a foreign company is allowed to conduct full-fledged business activities in India. It is also allowed to take same or substantially same trading activities in India. However, the branch office in India cannot carry on manufacturing activities, although it can carry on manufacturing activities by subcontracting it to any foreign Indian company. Now let me tell you with what objective a foreign company can open a branch office in India. 1. For import and export of goods. For rendering professional and consultancy services. For carrying out research work in which parent company is engaged. For promoting financial or technical collaboration between the Indian company and parent or foreign overseas company. For representing foreign parent company in India. For acting as a buying or selling agent in India. For rendering technical support for the products provided by the parent or foreign company. For foreign airlines or shipping companies. There are certain conditions to set up a branch office in India. Number 1. There should be at least 5 years track record of having profit in the parent company. Number 2. The net worth of the parent company must not be less than $100,000 in previous financial year, which should be certified by a certified public accountant or registered accounting professional. Number 3. The proprietorship concerns are not allowed to register it as a branch office in India. Number 4. Retail trading activity or activities which are engaged in manufacturing of products are not allowed to conduct a branch office in India. And number 5. The branch office name must be the same as the parent company's name. Now, if we talk about the process, then the parent company needs to submit its documents like charter document of the company and financials of the company along with all the other necessary documents with the documents of authorized representative in India. It needs to submit to the Reserve Bank of India, and once the Reserve Bank approves the same, it needs to intimate the ROC, which is Registrar of Companies, within 30 days of this approval in form FC1 along with all the required document list. I hope this was helpful for you. This was just a gist for how to register a branch office in India. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe because we are coming up with lot more informative videos. This is Kushbu signing off for the day. Goodbye. Take care.